M1 is a distant metastasis. Now, how I take it, this I'm doing a clinical examination. Please understand this. I'm doing my clinical examination of this patient to stage this cancer, right? For that, I've used a vernier caliper. I'm examining the lymph node with the hand to find out whether the axillary lymph node or supraclavicular lymph nodes are enlarged or not. Now, how will I know that there is a distant metastasis or not? I know the three common sites, the four common sites of metastasis: bone, lung, liver, and a brain. So I take the history of the patient. If the patient is telling me that there is some bone pain he has, or a pathological fracture he has, or in my examination, I told you in the beginning, when I do the clinical examination, I have to check for spine tenderness. I found a spine tenderness. I will, moment I am getting this on a patient's bone profile, I will consider it as M1. Similarly, if the patient is complaining of persistent cough or respiratory distress or hemoptysis is happening, I will consider this also M1 because it could be a lung metastasis. Now, if the patient has jaundice, or patient liver is enlarged or having a nodule, I will again consider it as a M1 disease. So clinically, what I mean to say, which you have to understand in the clinical profile of a patient, if the patient is having symptoms of these four common sites in a patient who has a lump, see, there can be a coincidence also. A patient has a lump who has a cancer lump of a breast and having a cough happening, having a tuberculosis. This can be coincidence, but I will not take this initially as a coincidence. I'll take it as if it is a metastasis happened. So similarly, if the patient is having a pathological fracture happen, it can be because of osteoporosis also, but I will not take it. I will take it as M1 disease. So I am initially taking it as M1. Now, how my further evaluation will happen, you'll get to see. So this what I have done. So if you can summarize it here. Whenever there is a patient is symptomatic of the four common site of metastasis, I will stage this patient as a M1 patient, means a distant metastasis patient. Just remember this.